The Glow Recipe Holiday Skin Prep Vault Set is available now. The box is $199 and includes 10 glow-giving best-selling products from Glow Recipe. If I'm lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit will include a 5-ounce avocado ceramide moisture barrier cleanser, 5.07-ounce watermelon glow PHA plus BHA pore tight toner, 2.53-ounce watermelon glow ultra fine mist, 1.35-ounce watermelon glow niacinamide dew drops, 1.35-ounce watermelon glow niacinamide hue drop serum, 0.5-ounce guava vitamin C bright eye gel cream, 1.69-ounce watermelon pink juice oil-free refillable moisturizer, 1.16-ounce watermelon jelly sheet mask, 0.52-ounce glass balm lip treatment, 4-ounce watermelon glow niacinamide dewy flush. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.